Destination is West Virginia. It's about 2 hours, 2-hour drive, but it's like a little town called Moundsville, West Virginia.
I'm leaving home for the coastline.
Alright guys, so destination number 2 right now. We're headed to some temple called Vrandian Temple or something like that. It's pretty cool. I mean, I'm pretty stoked, but this is West Virginia hill ride. This West Virginia hill ride is crazy. The hills here are just a lot, and I hope the RV can keep up.
And it's all alive, turning into dust. It's not enough, I feel it in my blood. And it's all alive, we're past my strength. It's not enough, turning into dust. There's a fire burning beneath us. Cannot control this, cannot control this. There's a fire. Can I get higher? 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 Can I get higher?
Brakes just completely went out, so luckily we pulled into this like restaurant or whatever, and we found a guy that's gonna help us fix it. You know, God bless him. But from all the going up and down in the terrain of these mountains, we literally lost all brake fluid. Is officially off the bucket list. We explored some crazy places. We just finished filming the last spot right now in the bridge in New River Gorge. We're about to head out to Kentucky and go from there. We're gonna film some stuff there, swoop around the city, the towns, all that, some national parks. And then we're gonna head down to Tennessee after a couple of days. We're gonna meet a family friend of ours, John, and see him there, do some bow fishing, spend a week with him or so, and then go from there.
The next trip, 5 hours.
So it's day 2, whatever, you know. This is our, what, 3rd stop of the trip, Joe?
It's our 3rd day.
Is this day 3?
Yeah, it's
I
day
lost
3.
track of time, guys. But like, you know me, I got to try all the chocolate milks around the world, and we got here Duchesse 2% chocolate milk. Look at that. Look at this, dude. Got a freaking mosquitoes everywhere. But we're gonna try this out. Let's see what it tastes like. Go from there, you know. Bottoms up.
How's it?
I don't know. I like the one at the other spot better.
Not creamy enough?
Betries or whatever it was. Not really here. Want to try it? Kind of tastes like dark chocolate.
Yeah, it's not creamy enough.
It does. It tastes like it's hard. It's not like...
I'll tell you what, the orange one they had in this one was
The orange was fire. The orange was
was
fire.
phenomenal. But yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys. Peace out of boo.